Welcome to Create Income with or without a job. I'm Jamila Harris, your Create Income coach. Be sure to push the subscribe button and tap that bell so you'll be notified each time a new video is available to help you as we take you step by step in how to create income in your life with or without a job. Today, we talk about what to do in the first 30, 60, 90 days after sudden job loss. If you haven't seen or heard my story, be sure to click and check the video, My Story. It tells you about what I went through and that these are actual practical steps that I journeyed through in order to move from having no income, being broke and homeless, to creating income on a daily basis in my life. So today we're going to talk about the Keep the Wolf Away from the Door plan. It's a 5-step plan that emerged as I was trying to make the transition from having no income while I had bills, while I had a car note, and so on. So we're going to talk about several steps. And step 3 of the Keep the Wolf Away from the Door plan, it specifically helps you to develop earning opportunities for yourself. Now in step 3, we find ways to create immediate income. How do you do that? You identify your marketable skills, talents, and natural abilities. When I lost my full-time job in 1980, and after month applying for job after job and not securing any job or any other income, I sat down on the floor of the apartment that I was getting ready to be evicted from. And I took sheets and sheets of paper, and on these sheets of paper, I began to write everything that I know how to do. Everything. Sweep floors, clean toilets, babysit, typing, word processing, photography, you name it. I wrote everything that I knew how to do. And that's what this challenges you to do. Write down everything that you know how to do. No longer think about how you're going to create income based on what your degree is, or what your field of study is, or what the industry is that you've been working in previously before this event. You are a walking bundle of resources. You have natural skills, talents, and abilities, and they are marketable. They can bring income into you. So this is what we want to help you to do now, is translate your natural talent, skills, and abilities into revenue, into income that comes into you. And then learn how to market yourself. And this is so important. And some of you may be thinking, well, I'm a technical person. I don't know anything about marketing. But in fact, we market others, and we market others' products and good things and actions and the stories of others. We market all the time. Marketing is simply sharing with others about something that you know about. So now we want to shift our focus so that we're sharing about the things that we know how to do with others who can potentially pay us to do those things. Remember, your initial income goal for your minimum monthly essentials plus 20%. So as you're thinking of, considering, making a list of the things you know how to do, you're thinking about what kind of income can come to you from your natural talents, gifts, and abilities. Remember how much money you're trying to attract every month for your minimum essential monthly bills. So Create Income with or without a job, we seek to help you as you walk your journey of uncertainty and trying to restore income to your life and your family's life. Join our Create Income family. Visit our website, createincomewithoutajob.com. Stay tuned to our YouTube channel. We are doing our best to make sure that you have action step videos that will help you move step by step by step back to where you're creating income in your life. And we look forward to hearing from you. Let us hear from you. Leave a comment. Give this video a thumbs up. Leave a comment. Subscribe. Click the notification bell. And stop looking for a job. Create income with or without a job.